Tôi cho nó phở là nó bây giờ tôi nó phở nó nọ bây giờ coi như we're gonna eat phở today. It's gonna be so good. Chống mà là mua đâu là snow bây giờ ấy chuyện này tí tu nó biết tu nó phở nó cho phải nó phở. Ôi trời, các khi ở trong cũng
Yeah, so you see this? From then, cost 1,300.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What? Want to say underline or use the 75
You want to eat phở? I know you want to eat phở?
Okay, 3 more.
Phở.
I think I dropped it.
Number one appetizer. Number one. Number one. Yay. Okay.
Number one?
No. Pass it around.
I want to eat it.
Get one and pass it around.
Oh yeah, you're right.
And get your plate. There's a little plate here. Here's a little plate for you. Don't drop it, please. Here's your plate. Grab one. Grab another one. Just one. Okay. Grab one. Another one. Okay.
My favorite.
Another one. Which one? Next go. Oh,
Where's the sauce?
you know.
Where's my favorite sauce to put?
Oh, no.
It's not spicy.
Tomorrow, you don't need try.
Yeah, I know sauce.
Is it gay, Colleen?
It's fun.
It tastes like. Let me see the inside, okay? It's
It's
hot.
sugary.
Mama. Ooh, the inside has meat, vegetable,
Actually, vinegary.
and rice noodle. Ooh. Tao. Hả? Cool. How's it, Luana?
Great.
Oh, don't do that. Let it cool down first. I don't want you to get burned. Okay? How's it, Mama? Huh? Okay, Mama, no. Shimana, okay? We're gonna be here.
I dropped it.
I don't see the smoke, but it's really hot.
It's cool.
Bibi. Stay food.
Oh, cool. That's
One,
Oh, yummy.
2, stay food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Seafood
Gonna eat
first.
the apple.
Oh, yes, right here. Thank you. Look at that. Perfect. So we got the seafood pho with beef, and my husband and my older son got the pho dat bat, which is all beef.
Mochi.
Hmm.
Mochi.
So we're gonna taste the broth.
Let's see the steam.
Taste the broth.
Look it.
I don't know how you fix this.
Look it.
Now, okay.
Oh, it's so good. Ooh. Let me know how your broth tastes like.
what I like about this place. They
Why you
serve
like
the
it?
food. They serve the
Oh,
food.
I like your bowl. Mm-hmm.
That's where it's going.
I love them.
Wait, is this attendance?
Yep, that's attendance. If you don't like it, donate it to
I
Colin.
love it. No.
Give
You
it
said
to
you
me.
said I don't like it.
If you don't like it, give it
Yes,
to
I
me.
do. I love it.
Yummy.
Oh, it's a lot.
Thank you.
Everyone okay?
Really good. Thank you. Wow.
It's super nice.
It's real hot, but looks good.
It's super nice.
How's the broth? Hun, how's the broth?
Nice.
How's the octopus?
It's super nice.
It's
It's so
Is it
nice.
hot?
It's
Yeah,
super
blow it
nice.
first.
Yeah, you said it like five times. Yeah.
Super nice.
Do you have a spoon? That's a soup spoon right there, honey. You see the soup spoon?
Yeah.
You can use that so it's not so hot.
Oh, here's a different story. At home is a different story. You know that? Yeah.
It's hot. You yummy.
Colin, how's your broth?
So good. Hey,
So
mommy.
good.
Look at this.
Yeah. Can't. My little tripod won't go lower. Is it good? Delicious.
Ah.
And oops, it's too big.
嗰油力收唔錯，收潤到中曬嘅如果唔俾都
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It's already good, so I forgot.
I think a little bit.
Yeah, sure. Chicken. That's not basil. That's something.
Do you have? I
Beef
want
fries.
lime and jalapeno and. Can you give me the plate? I just want the plate. Wait, Paco, got the tulo mucho.
okay.
You good? So 2 jalapenos
Two
and
jalapenos.
yeah. Is that too much?
First time.
You want some vegetable? Pick some. What you want?
Take one little
Okay,
bit.
I give to you. This one? You want this one? Okay. What else do you want? You want the white stuff?
White stuff.
I know. Do
Bean
you want
sprouts.
vegetable?
White noodle.
Water.
Hey, Colin. I mean, Lance.
Last.
Okay.
He's busy.
It's busy.
He's so busy. That's all. We didn't want to collect the thing.
Next time you come and take your girlfriend here,
Yeah.
she gonna like it.
That's all.
Is it because it's Vietnamese?
I don't know. You need to ask her what's her favorite food before you take her out.
Boba.
She be like,
Oh yeah, bubble
But you
tea.
don't know to drive.
You know who's gonna drive?
Hey. No.
What?
I'll pay that for. I pay that 75 cents for him to drive.
Yeah. And then you're gonna be so shy, but I'm not gonna make you shy. Okay, I promise that.
There's no beef in here. There's no beef in here.
So beef?
There's no beef.
It's okay. Next time I'll order you the beef one. Okay? You don't like shrimp? Can you give me some? Which one? Put it in here. Can you put it in here, honey? Broth is really good.
Oh, you don't like chicken wings? Yeah, eat it.
You forgot lemon.
It's still good though. You don't even need anything. Tastes good already.
我落水就硬啦。
You forgot this green circle thing.
None? Oh, the jalapeno's fitting me.
Water.
Thank you. Oh no, it's just the jalapeno's strong.
Really? I can't even taste it.
I don't know.
Dad just put one.
Maybe you could take the heat.
No, it's not spicy yet.
still snowing. The way you turn so fast. I was checking the weather.
Brown no on here.
I know you like this. Yours right here. I could sip on this all day.
Sip on it every all day.
Yep. Very, very good. And how's your pho?
Hey.
Real good?
Oh, and basil. We got two left. Two left.
Can you see yourself in there with Lance?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay. Ooh. How's your soup? Like it? You should try the chicken too.
Okay.
It's really good?
What about you? Is it good?
Very good. I like it a lot. Next time I'll order you the beef one, okay? I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness.
You like a beef? Oh, you didn't say nothing about it. You gotta speak up, okay?
Colin said I want pho. Okay. Here's what time.
I do. More for you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you watching yourself eat? It's delicious. Okay, we got to take Daddy's turn. Huh? How's your pho?
It's good.
Spicy?
No, I
No?
want more spice.
Come on, is yours spicy?
Yeah.
Cajilito.
There was 2 seeds on my basil.
No, 2 seeds.
Mine is not spicy.
It's only 2 seeds.
Dad, if it's not spicy, add some sriracha in.
I did. Want some sriracha?
It's not weird. Inside.
No, stay.
It's not weird inside. Tastes like nothing.
Which one?
Tastes like nothing.
The noodle?
Tastes good.
I like the soup. You get to eat it with the noodles and soup, so it tastes like very flavorful.
That's a good one. That you can make it chew a while. Stay a rest of that.
I like the what's the name? Mochacha chapa. So good.
If you want some long.
Hello, Mama.
Hello, you want to be in the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Delicious. Okay.
that, Jeff?
So much. Yes, it's a wrap. So good. Coffee bomb. Pho bomb. Everybody's full.
I'm not doing it.
Almost. Service is fast and tasty. Bye.